Kinongrep cokari India kentup kinongrep ke Meghalaya, kilarai ban ya telilang kawe ban pynbor ke sorkar ban pyntrei kam ya ke Kyrshan kinongrep ting ba ke minimum support price. Ya kani karai la shim ha ke jingalang jong kinongrep kari India bela pinlong hatiwari bhavan din Dayal Upadhyaya Mark New Delhi ha ke ba kinoyalam jokil Farmers Union kila yo ban shim binta. Kini kinongrep kilawan ban penpau ya kejing e baper jong ki arpo teli ki jella ki blawan ban shimbenta hapo kalama jok minimum support price guarantee kisan morcha kino yalam jok ni ka kenhon kilaong badai stang ka jing teli jok kinorep kabala ban penyo ki jing dawa jongki
kumpa kalong menta haka ri India hi kenika minimum support price kalong tangi ki katto kaniki tangi ki katto kaniki mar wat kataru keempat day pada ka ain ka baklan ngila ban ong ha ka shikentin ka ain ka baklem benian namar keempat day ka ain lane bala itu lane bala wanra apolok sabha dari kani tang ka executive order ha ka ba kila syuong ba putri kami ka minimum support price dan nagleng jungi kum ke kunhun nong rap hi cokari India hi bro koi ban nagleng jungi ba mikmat ik hil Farmer Union kila dawa ba ngidei ban dawa nak sorkar India badai kedai ban long legalize no ya kene ka an badai ban itu no da ka an ha ka biya de ka minimum support price badai ban kentu bro ya ki babun teli ki weipat ki jingmi lane ki jingri ki jingdo ha po ka minimum support price.
And we all decided that the entire farming community of the country requires minimum support price. So therefore we created and established MSP Guarantee Kisan Morcha on that date. We made coordinators for almost 20 states, and the entire gathering requested Commander Al Anfenbert to take care of the northeastern states as coordinators, and they have been appointed so. Our fight today is that the minimum price must be given to every farmer in the country, and not just for any, they only have MSP for 23 crops, which hardly benefits people in the northeast. We want for all the fruits, all the vegetables, milk, fishery, poultry, dairy, everything that has to do with farming. Dairy farming, cattle farming, etc., and all. So therefore the advantage is what nobody can buy for less than the minimum support price. If somebody buys it for less, he is penalized. There is a criminal charge against him.